Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Join with me now as we sing along with the video.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Everywhere I go, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Thank you. That was excellent. We are going to share what we are learning with everyone. Over the next few weeks, we will be learning more information about human rights and about an important document called the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Do you remember last time when we learned that after World War II, world leaders got together to plan ways for people to learn to live and work together in peace? This took place at the United Nations in Geneva, Switzerland, which is what you see here in this slide. These values became known as human rights. This is Mrs. Eleanor Roosevelt. She was in charge of the committee who created the document that she's holding called the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It applies to all people all over the world. Can you say the name of this document with me?
The Universal Declaration of Human Rights.
Thank you. What does it mean when we say human rights?
It means rights that we have just because we're humans.
Thank you. That's a good answer. Let me tell you what a right is. A right is like a rule that exists because it is fair or the right thing to do. Let's read this all together.
We have the right to life, liberty, and security.
People wanted to help each other after World War II. They wanted to make sure that the violence and hatred that occurred between citizens and governments should never happen again. People wanted to live in freedom and safety. Next time, you will learn more about human rights. These are rights that you have just because you are human beings. Remember the song we sang, This Little Light of Mine? It's the little things that we do that can make a big difference. Our little light can do a lot to help others in making us all feel happy and safe because we know somebody cares.
Let's not forget today's lesson. The little things that we do for each other can make a big difference in making us feel happy and safe because we know somebody cares.
What can you do to make someone happier during this next week? Let's all be happy, and we'll see you next time.